Hey folks, in this video I will guide you through how to create a Roblox account. So first of all, go to your web browser and search for Roblox and go to this www.roblox.com website, and here you have to sign up. So in here, first of all, you have to fill your birthday. So I'm going to fill my birthday. And in here you have to add the username. Make sure to don't add your real username because everyone can identify who you are if you add your real username. So add the random username or the username you prefer. So I add my username, and here you have to add the password. So add your password here and choose your gender. It's optional, so I choose mine and click sign up. So now you can see account is created, and now the first thing you have to do is add your email to your account. Otherwise if your account password lost or you don't remember, you can't recover your account. So add your email here. So in here enter your email address. So I add my email address here and click continue. So after that it will send you a confirmation message to your email inbox. So let's see my email. So you can see this is the confirmation email. So go to that email and click on this verify email button. So after you successfully verify your email, it will send you a free item, this one, and click on view item to view it. If you want to try it, you can try. So it will wear into your character. So now if I go to account settings, you can see my email is verified. So that's how you can create a Roblox account. So if you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.